All right, Harry, we're going to look at some animals. Are you ready? What animal is this?
Duck.
Duck. Good. Otter. Good.
Bear.
Bear. Good.
Duck.
Tiger. Good.
Bee.
Bee. Good.
Rock.
Fish. Good.
Chicken.
Turkey. Good.
Eat.
Ant. Excellent.
Frog.
Frog. Good job.
Frog.
What is this one?
Frog.
Octopus. Good.
Deer.
Deer.
Turtle.
Turtle.
Pig.
Coon. Raccoon.
Goose.
Goose. Good. Zebra.
Rock.
Fox.
Man.
Mouse.
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Good job, buddy. High five.